everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified for all my new videos. And for the world's best subscribers in all of YouTube, I love you. I love you so much. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you to everyone that took their time out to write me the absolute most beautiful, heartfelt comments in my last video. Thank you so much. You have no idea how appreciated those comments were to me. Thank you. Okay guys, let's get into this video because bunny season is over, Easter is done, and it is time for summer, which me personally, that's my favorite time. Well, that's my favorite season to live in, but not decorate. Decorate, it's all about Christmas, let's be honest. I don't know if you know this about me, but when I was a little girl, I wanted to grow up and be Mrs. Claus and marry Santa Claus. Yeah, that was my lifelong dream. Obviously, didn't happen, but that's how much I love Christmas. But we cannot talk about Christmas yet. But I hear someone's doing Christmas in July. And I'm gonna participate in Christmas in July, trust me. So I hope you love Christmas as much as I do, because it's a little crazy around here at Christmas time. But it is now officially lemon season. That's right, lemons. Lemons, and more lemons. And I love this lemon theme so much. It is fresh and bright and cheerful and airy and makes your house look so inviting. And I love the color yellow. It finds in the sun and the sunshine, and I just love it. But wait, if you're like me and you're thinking, I love all that lemon stuff, and I really do, I love it, but I gotta stay on a budget because, we can't all go out and buy all new lemon stuff. I mean, I would like to, but it's not gonna happen. So I have come up with some creative ideas how to add lemon touches to my house, to my kitchen. So the kitchen's gonna be all lemons. To the kitchen using this lemon theme. And I think, okay, what I'm gonna show you today, I think it's really cute. So today's video, I'm gonna do this this table behind me, and I got that shelf above. I'm gonna turn the camera, we're gonna go over there in a minute. Let's decorate it together because I'm so excited. And I hope this inspires you to go out and maybe search your home, because you'll see almost everything is things that I already had, but I added lemons and you'll see how. Okay, let's get decorating. Let's get to decorating because I'm so excited about this. Okay, I got everything here. There's my table. I'm gonna move to the side so you can see it. There's the table. It's just like a glass table. But this is what I want to put on it, and this is not a tablecloth or anything like that. It is a kitchen towel, and I got 2 of these. I'm pretty sure, yes, I got them at Michael's during the early spring season. So what I want to do, if you can see there, I'm going to put it on an angle, and I'm going to tuck this part in to give it some interest and to hide the glass. So just like that, you see that there? Anyways, I'm gonna pan it in closer after the fact so you can see it. And if you're new here and you haven't seen how I decorate this table before, I'll leave the video linked above. Actually, I have 2 videos on how I styled this. Yeah, I have one for Easter and then I have one for spring. So if you're interested, I'll just leave them linked down below in the description box. Okay, you remember these? I love these. I love these. These were my Easter blooming candle holders that I did. Love them. Love them. I have 2 of them. They're thrifted, actually. I'm so impressed by thrifting. I swear to God, I'm so impressed by thrifting. So I painted them and distressed them. So I'm gonna put them here. That's where I want them. And guys, they have this little pokey thing here So you have to use, like, I tried doing other things. I mean, I could put a topiary ball on them, but I'm gonna use these candles. They're actually real candles, and I do use them. They're this very pale blue. So I'm gonna put those two there, and you'll see where I'm going with this. And you're thinking, blue, Bella, well, I'm gonna bend down. I thought you said you were doing lemons. I am doing lemons. I am. You'll see. Just give me a second. Okay. So I got that. And then I want to use this picture. I don't know why my lighting. Anyways, you'll see it. You'll see it up close. It's a beautiful white ceramic pitcher. I'm just going to place it there. And I think that'll look really good. But here comes the yellow. Guys, I got this at Michael's. It's a bouquet. Hi, Miss Mia. Mia came to say hi. It's like just a wild flower bouquet. I don't even know what it's called. But I really like the color and the texture. So I just bent the stem. And I'm going to put it in here for some color and some florals there. I like that, right? That looks cute. Okay, so that's that. Okay, let's move to the other side. First things first we're gonna use is this tray. I love this tray. I got inspired to make it by my friend Casey. Her channel's name is Coffee with My Sunshine. She made something similar to this, and she inspired me, and I made one also. And I really love this. This is one of those things that, I don't know, I just love it. And I love the saying, and I love everything about it. Okay, guys, let me see how I'm gonna do this. Okay, guys, I love the lemon theme, love it. But you have to, I had to do it inexpensively, and I had to be very creative doing it. So I couldn't get a chance to go to Hobby Lobby because it's a little bit far for me, and I gotta cross the border. So I went to the next best place, a Dollar Tree. That's right, $1 for a lemon. Guys, they're great quality. They're so, so nice. Like, way to go, Dollar Tree. I got 6 of them because that's all I could find. Okay, this is so easy and so inexpensive. I just turned this upside down. I filled it with my lemons, put it back on its base, flip it back upside down, and you got lemons. So cute, right? Okay, so I'm gonna place it here like that. So now I totally have my lemons going. And then I'm just gonna place my little Rise and Shine yellow sign. But then I thought to myself, Bella, you got a little bit of yellow here, but I think you need some lemons. That's right, I do. Sorry about the noise. Okay, I got this pick. I don't know if you guys remember this. I just bent it. I'm gonna tuck it behind here like that. I'll pan in closer so you can see. And then I actually did buy an entire lemon pick from Michael's. Oh, I should find, but I cut it apart. I cut it apart because I'm gonna use my lemons here and there. And that pick was pretty expensive. It was $11.99 for the pick. It came with a bunch of lemons. I don't remember how many lemons, but a few. But anyways, I cut them apart because, and I used my 40% off coupon. So I'm just gonna place a couple lemons in my flower pick, in my greenery pick, and there you go, we got lemons. So let me pan back so you can see the whole thing. There it is. I got my candlesticks that I absolutely love. Oh my goodness. And my little pitcher with the yellow, and then lemons there, and then lemons there, and yellow there. So it gives you a total lemon vibe. Top shelf. I'm just gonna show you everything because you know I'm Shorty McShorty and I gotta get on a ladder to do it, and nobody wants to see that. So I'm gonna show you all the stuff I'm gonna use, and then I'm gonna put it on the shelf, and then I'll show you this whole area all done. So let me just show you the stuff I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use some of these greenery picks. I have 2 of these. These are the ones that, let me take away the lemon. These are the ones that I bought at the dollar store here in Canada, and they're so nice. I really love these. I used them last time also. And then I cut another 2 lemons off that pick I'm gonna use. And then I'm gonna use this greenery also. This is the one from, is this the one from, no, this is from the Dollar Tree also, or dollar store. And I'm gonna use this one. So these are really good, right? They look really nice. And, sorry, I have my back to you. I'm gonna use this up there on the shelf. I had it down here, but I just moved it. But I thought, the little pop of yellow, it's okay that it's eggs. I don't mind it, actually. I think it looks pretty good because it's summer, right? I mean, birds hatch eggs in the summer, don't they? I mean, I have no clue. Who are we kidding? And then I'm gonna use this here. I just love this thing. I love it. I just think it's so cute for the kitchen. And the little pop of black, because I got black on the buffalo check. And I just thought, I'm sorry, I'm turning my back. And then these. Now you've seen these. I hauled them from Walmart USA. Love them. Love them. Guys, this is such a good deal. Like, you totally get the vibe, the feel, the lemon theme on such a good budget. Like, beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling now. I'm gonna get on the ladder, get up there, decorate this, and then I'll show I'll show it to you when it's done. Here's the top of the shelf. This is what I did. I added that and the two little signs from Walmart, and then my little clock, and I just added some greenery picks with 2 lemons in them, and then also, see the little pops of yellow in there? I just think it looks so cute, and then the greenery with another little lemon hanging. So this gives you a total lemon theme on a complete budget. And I think it looks so cute and farmhouse, yet rustic, yet chic. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love what those two say. I just love my little teapot clock. And here's the table with the candle holders. And now you could see how nice the picture is. It's really nice, right? And the candle holders really do look good. And I like that little bit of blue in the candles, because I am going to do a little bit of nautical in my living room. So there you go. And there's that little greenery pick with the lemons. And I just love this, guys. This is all done on such a budget, but it just looks so, I don't know, it looks so fresh and so welcoming. Let me pan back. Let me see if I can pan back and show you both together, and then you'll see what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look, it totally gives you the lemon theme without going overboard on lemons. But you could totally tell this kitchen is decorated with lemons. Okay guys, that is the end of my video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, and share. I hope you like this video. Hope you like decorating with me. I love it. I love sharing my ideas with you guys. And guys, remember, decorating is supposed to be so much fun. And you could do it on a budget. I do it on a budget all the time. But I think it gives you, this gives you a total lemon theme, right? I like it. I hope you like it. Anyways, have an amazing, amazing day. You know what? I just thought, since I'm here and filming already, I'm gonna film the other side, so I'll have a video up for you tomorrow. Okay guys, that is the end of my video. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Have an awesome evening. Have a great evening with your family and friends. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye YouTube. Bye everybody. See you tomorrow guys. Bye.